Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? I'm going to get into cable, guys. I'm going to try this one. It's premature. I know the pattern doesn't look good. I think that was some good news. I think the market's wanting to rally today. And if it's gonna, then we should just be in on the rally. I got in at 18. No, we should have gotten pound yen too, dang it. But by the time this moves up, maybe it bounces off this level. In fact, because this isn't perfect right now, I may just take some pips at the top, but let's just let it go up right now. Let's let some candles close. It's early in the session. All right, so we had a nice bullish candle. That's a continuation candle for me. I mean, that thing closed at the very top. The close and the high are the same. That's good for continuation. That just means the bears had absolutely no influence over that candle whatsoever. None. Right here they're mounting a little thing here, but is it going to be enough? Probably not. But we do have a mountaintop sort of here. I mean, that was the higher high. That was a swing high. It caused a lower high, then a lower low. All right, so that becomes, boom, the swing. That's the mountaintop now. You have a mountaintop as soon as you have a level that's enough to break the pattern. Okay, so that becomes a swing high. So that's our mountaintop. That is going to be considerably harder to break than these little individual higher highs. If it's just a higher high after a higher low, that's most likely going to get broke. Most likely going to get broke. Most likely going to get broke. This still most likely going to get broke, but it doesn't. Now it's a little bit more of a challenge to get above that now. Look at Aussie dollar. Wow. Okay, so Aussie's looking good. I think you really got to be in on the next pullback there as well. I almost wonder if I should take the 5 on this for now. Alright, 5 seconds for this candle close too. That's nice. I like it when they close high like this. There you go. That's a nice continuation candle there. We got to hold above this high. Dollar's faltering. Let me just take some pips for now. Okay, and I'll probably regret that I did that yet, but I think we can safely, the ones above the 2, I think even get in on a pullback. What was our entry? 18? I mean, we might even be able to just get our entry back. I mean, we're right at this mountaintop area. And I'm also looking at Aussie here, because Aussie's made a nice move up, and it's starting to shape up nicely. You know, we are really close to an entry on this Aussie right here, right now. Here goes pound. I'm getting in, guys, and I kind of want to get in on Aussie too now. I mean on cable too. I'm in again on cable. Alright, I'm playing this move. And there's still Aussie yen that looks good. Pound yen, Aussie yen both look really good. It's hard to say which one's going to be stronger at this point. It feels like pound could start gaining on Aussie here a little bit if it starts reversing. We got a big tripod on it right now. It looks like it's more likely to go a little higher pound Aussie, which means stronger pound. Still, we need a weak dollar and we need a strong market because we need the dollar and yen both to be weak. It's just which one are we going to put against it. Right now I've got a little of both, but I'm just thinking about the yens right now. I don't have anything against the yens if they're the ones that move further. I'm putting one on pound yen, guys. Alright, let's go. We need follow through. The dollar's looking good. The yen's not as much. See, dollar yen's a little iffy. Let's go. Come on, Aussie dollar. Get up there. Aussie dollar's in higher highs. Aussie's super strong right now. Keep it going. Alright, here's 10 on Aussie. Let me take it just to get, I've got a lot going. We're at a 3-column roadblock. Only gave me 8.6. Not super happy about that. Let's go. Take off. I might just have to close it because, well, it's doing good right now. And Aussie dollar's even higher up. Here's +9. Here's 10. And we're up at a level. Let's take that. And we're still in pound yen. Alright, Scott took 8. Very good. 7.5 for Kevin. Nice. Hey, Jeffrey, what's happening? Thank you, sir. I almost feel like you got to try pound dollar again. I mean, dollar is just capitulating here, guys. I think I need to try Aussie yen. I'm going to try one on Aussie yen. Pound dollar's in higher highs. I mean, it's the dollar that's getting killed. That's where we've done our best trades today. All on the dollar. Aussie dollar's got no problem going higher again. Dollar just tanking here, guys. It's pretty much all about the dollar. Our dollar trades have been perfect. Yen trade kind of floundering. I won't look for as much. I'm expecting them to still work. Just going to take a little bit longer. And the dollar is the most exciting action right now. Anything against the dollar. Right now, see, dollar and yen are the two things we're playing against. So we'd rather, if for us, we'd like to see dollar yen go up now because we're in the yen crosses now. So we'd like to see yen be the weaker of the two. You know, first of all, that would allow the pound dollar to pull back to a decent entry. But more importantly, it would allow our yen crosses to actually make pips. Alright, we just got to take these clear roads up, guys. We've already hit our growth target, so any positive pips on these are just icing on the cake. Pound yen's starting to work. Up 4 now on that, full position pips. You know, you might want to consider that pound dollar now, guys. If dollar's going to continue to weaken, we're getting dynamic here. And we got clear roads up on pound yen. There's really no reason to get rid of pound yen yet, unless I just want to protect my growth target of the day. I could exit both of these, about break even, and still have my 20 pips. So we've got about 24 approximately. Very close to pulling the trigger on pound dollar. You know, I kind of would like to see it just break a little higher. Just break above that high. I think we have to do this. It's crazy. I think we got to buy this thing. I mean, we haven't technically broken the highs yet. That wick, you know, didn't really do it. I'm just going to do it, guys. I'm in. Pound dollar. Clear roads up. It's breaking higher. Here we go, guys. Come on. Higher highs. Just had a 15-minute candle close there as well. There we go. Here we go, guys. This is it. I keep going. I mean, it's definitely moving up. Alright, let's take 10 on that one. Holy cow, everything's looking really good. Here, let's take that. Let's not get greedy. Let's not get greedy. Let's take it. Alright, we got our growth target for the day. Nice. 45 pips today. Very good. It's about what it was. These are all full position pips. So that's about 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Yeah, that's about right. Nice. Alright, so we made up yesterday's loss, which I was glad about. So this was yesterday, but we made that up. And back on track. Alright, guys. Thanks, Kev. For that, Scott, have a good one. Everyone, Roberto, this is Sam Shakespeare signing out. We'll see everyone tomorrow.